Hi first graders, today we will be reading about animals working together. How does being in a group help animals? How do they work together? Many animals depend on others of their kind in order to survive. These animals live in groups that help each other. Gorillas live together in groups called troops. Each troop has about 9 to 20 animals in it. The head of the troop is an older, dominant male called a silverback. Gorillas stay together to find food. They also help each other stay clean by picking tiny insects out of each other's fur. A troop also stays together for protection. They communicate with their voices. They can't talk, but they make different sounds. A chuckling sound may mean, "Let's play." But if a gorilla beats its chest and makes a hooting noise, it is a warning. This tells other gorilla groups not to get too close. Let me move up there. Okay, let's look at our next animal group. African wild dogs are another kind of animal that help each other. They live in groups called packs. There are between 6 and 20 dogs in each pack. These endangered animals find food together. The dogs hunt at dawn and at dusk. Running together, they make high, excited squeaks to tell each other where to find the rodents, antelopes, wildebeests, and other animals they hunt. They even move their big ears to point out which direction to go in. There are many aspects of their behavior that show that they are working as a group. The pack works together to care for the young dogs. If youngsters are present at a kill, they are allowed to eat first. Because mother wild dogs can give birth to up to 20 pups, feeding the young is a big job. All of the adult dogs need to hunt so that the pack has enough to eat. The adult dogs watch over each other's young too. They protect the little dogs from predators that might try to eat them. The adult male dogs babysit the pups in their dens. Okay, let's look at penguins. Emperor penguins live in big groups that help each other. These penguins live in Antarctica. Because it is very cold in Antarctica, the penguins huddle together to stay warm. This is beneficial to all the penguins. They take turns moving to the protected, warm center of the group. After a penguin warms up a little, it moves back to the outside of the group. Then penguins on the outside can come into the middle. Mother and father emperor penguins help each other too. When a mother emperor penguin lays an egg, she leaves it with the father. Then the mother travels far away to find food. Meanwhile, the father penguin gently balances the egg on its feet and covers it with its warm feathers. In 2 months, the egg will hatch. That is when the mother returns with fish to feed the new chick. Now it is the father's turn to go look for food. I hope you all learned something. That was very interesting about the penguins. And we have one more, dolphins. Let's learn about those. Dolphins help each other in many ways. These small whales travel together in groups called pods. Small pods have at least 5 dolphins, and large pods can have hundreds of dolphins. The dolphins in the pod help each other catch fish. The pod surrounds a group of fish. The dolphins swim around the fish very quickly so that the tasty fish are packed together like a ball. Then the dolphins swim through the ball of fish, eating as they go. They do this by instinct. To communicate, dolphins make high-pitched whistles and squeaks. They make these noises to find each other and to warn each other when danger is near. Dolphins are very helpful to members of their pod that become sick or hurt. If a dolphin is attacked by another animal, Such as a shark, the rest of the dolphins in the pod will stay near the hurt member. They may even try to fight back. Wow, isn't that wonderful? We have so many animals that are helping each other. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed listening to those facts about animals.